Hey man, your guy the Vintage is super nervous. I'm super skeptical. I don't know what's going on, bro. I see a couple of the homies, a couple of my supporters on Instagram and even on YouTube come and comment talking about some, man, I got my Air Jordan 4 undefeated. And I'm like, hold on. It's been about a week and a half now, and I still have nothing. Not even shipping confirmation, bro. And you know what just confirmed me to make this video is that my homie, the Retro Wiz Kid, was like, yo, you get shipping confirmation or did you get your undefeated? I said, yo, that's crazy, because I literally was going to make a video talking about what is going on with the Air Jordan 4 undefeated W's that came from the EQL raffle. We got to talk about today's video, man. What's going on, YouTube, man? Thank you guys so much for tapping into another one from your guy, the Vintage. Is always greatly appreciated. And I'm coming here with a little bit different energy, you know what I'm saying? Usually I'm up here excited, smiling, laughing, but bro, I am really low-key nervous, and I don't want to speak into existence. Let me go ahead and knock on wood real quick. If you guys are new here to the channel, right now we need everybody to do, man, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for your boy. Make sure you run them likes up for your guy, the Vintage, man. Always greatly appreciated. You guys come through, show love, show support, and is greatly appreciated, man. All right, guys, so like I said, man, in the intro, the EQLWs have been getting pushed out. I see a couple of homies that hit on EQL, they got their pairs. But there's some people out there that do not have their pairs yet. And you know, something that's kind of, I think about is, it was a lot of W's. So was it a high stock, you know, for the EQLW raffles, or what was going on? I don't know how many people got the dubs, but it seemed like everybody and their mama was hitting. And I was one of those people that did hit. And like I said, bro, I'm checking my emails. I'm checking my shop app. You guys know, like the shop app when you purchase things, it show you tracking information. I have nothing on the shop app. I have no emails from Undefeated, no emails from EQL. And I said, bro, where's my Lisa shipping confirmation? Got the order confirmation, which I'm super grateful that I still do have it. No cancellations. The money came out my account, all that good stuff. And now I am waiting for not even the final ball shed. Shout out to Unbreakable Kicks. I ain't even at that stage yet, bro. I'm at the stage where I just need Undefeated to actually put them joints in the box, put the label on there, and ship them off. And I hope that's the case, bro. I just hope it's, you know, it took a little bit longer. I know it said it might take to the 28th to ship, but then just check out some of the people that do have their pairs. Bro, it seemed like everybody that hit on the EQL raffle besides me and like another person, and some people in the comment section said they ain't got them. But I just see them flooding on Instagram, bro. Where is my pair of Air Jordan 4 undefeateds? That's just you I've always wanted. That is an ultimate grail. Probably every sneakerhead in the community. If you're a sneakerhead, who does not want the undefeated 4s in their collection? It's just a staple sneaker. And I'm just like, you know, I got FOMO, of course, because I always won them for like the past, you know, 10, 15 years. But now that I got that little glimpse of hope that I hit on the EQ raffle, now I guess I'm just a little nervous because, bro, I don't got nothing. No shipping confirmation, none of that. And a lot of people on internet, like Instagram, YouTube comments, even on YouTube channels, they have their pairs, bro. And I'm like, fingers crossed, bro. Fingers crossed. I know everything good. I'm just saying that and, you know, putting good energy out there. But in the back of my mind, bro, I'm low-key nervous because I don't have anything. So if you are in that same case, in that same boat with your guy, the Vintage, man, please let me know in the comment section if you're still waiting for the shipment confirmation or even have gotten anything regarding your shoe. Just please let me know. And if you did receive your undefeated 4s, man, comment down below. Let me know if you did get shipment confirmation or did they just show up at your doorstep. That has happened to me plenty of times hitting on Sneakers app where it would say like preparing shipment, and then I go outside and like, yo, I got a whole package right here from Nike, which is one of my latest W's. So I'm hoping that's one of the cases. So please, somebody watching this, listen to this part of the video. If you didn't get any emails and you got your shoe, please let me know if that was the case. I'm hoping, bro, come up this week, Monday, Tuesday, no later than Wednesday, I do have something at the front door, even just in the emails, bro. Like, at least just give me the tracking number from FedEx or UPS or wherever the case may be, because again, I'm nervous, man. I need these undefeated guys, man. We got a whole bunch more drops coming up, you know what I'm saying? And we do have another shot at getting these undefeated 4s on the Nike Sneakers app August the 28th, I want to say. And I don't know if it's going to be like a Leo, a raffle, or draw, or it's gonna be like an exclusive access where you might have to go to Undefeated store and click a link. I don't know what they're gonna do, but just based off of the Air Jordan 5 Black Metallic restock and the Dodgers Kobe's joints and the Soul 2.0s, they might do something like that. It was exclusive access restock. And you know what I'm saying? Not everybody had that, you know, access to the shoes. So I'm hoping that we just get a regular Leo, a regular draw, something just, you know, to where people have a fair shot at getting it, not clicking on some random links and stuff like that to get to the shoe. Just make it a normal one, bro. We already did an EQL raffle, we already did an in-store raffle, and we did the drop day on Undefeated 4. So to get to a point where like Nike, bro, y'all doing a little too much, man. Just give us a regular drop on the Nike sneakers app. None of that crazy stuff, man. So again, guys, if you are in that same boat as me with the Undefeated Air Jordan 4s, you ain't got Nathan yet, Nathaniel, please let me know, because that just give me a little sense of calmness. Like, y'all just help me out, take the edge off a little bit, because again, not having, you know, anything after getting that W, you know, I ain't gonna put quotations, getting that W, you would be expecting something, you know, a little bit shortly after that, but that don't seem to be the case for these Undefeated 4s. So hopefully I'm just shooting the gun. I'm just, you know, coming up on here ranting, you know what I'm saying, venting to y'all. Hopefully that's just the case and I get my shoes relatively soon, because, bro, I know people all the way in all different states got their shoes, man. Like, where my joints at, Undefeated? Hey, I need them in the collection, bro. I need them. They have to come. I need them, and I gotta throw them straight on feet. And hopefully the double up come on August 28th on the Nike sneakers app. And I don't care if y'all mad at me, bro. I need 2 pairs of them. We're not getting those. We probably won't get those for another 20 or 30 years. Might be a 40th anniversary restock. And by the time that come, ain't nobody gonna be worried about Jordans at that point. Me personally, I think, I don't know. We'll see what happens. I appreciate all the support, man. Thank you guys so much for tapping into today's video. Make sure you subscribe, hit the notification bell, run them likes up for your boy the Vintage. Real quick, let me go ahead and grab these, man. It's a shoe that not a lot of people have been saying they're gonna grab, but let me know in the comment section if you guys want to see a full review on feet, or, you know, something that sort for these Air Jordan 1 shattered backboards. Another Grail. This is a Grail Jordan 1. I'm super excited to have them, and I can't wait to throw them on feet. So if y'all want me to throw them on feet earlier with, like, you know what I'm saying, an on feet review, y'all go crazy in the comment section. Y'all spam them likes. We might get something cracking with the shattered backboards. But I love y'all. Appreciate y'all. All that's being said, your boy the Vintage is gonna catch you guys in the next video, man.